Hello students, welcome to Smart Kids Tutorials. In this video we will be solving question number 5 from exercise 9.2, which says in the figure PQRS and ABRS are parallelograms and X is any point on side BR. We need to show that first area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to area of parallelogram ABRS, and secondly we need to show area of triangle AXS is equal to a half of area of PQRS. Let's once again go through the question that we have been given over here. PQRS is one parallelogram. Then we have ABRS as another parallelogram. We given X as any point on the side BR. We are asked to prove that the two parallelograms, the areas of the two parallelograms are equal, and we are also asked to show that this particular triangle AXS, the area of that is half the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Okay, so let us first begin by showing these two areas of the two parallelograms are equal to each other. So solution, this is for the first one. So we know over here that parallelogram PQRS and parallelogram ABRS, okay, both of them lie on the same base, that is RS, okay, share a common base RS, and also they lie between same parallels. Which are they? SR is one of them, or RS, and the other one is PAQB, because over here if you notice PQRS, the line is from P to Q and ABRS is from A to B, but this is actually just one line, so we can say PAQB. So I have taken all the points on those lines because they are part of the line, and that line is parallel to RS or SR. Okay, so if we find that the two parallelograms share a common base and lie between the same parallels, we can say that therefore we can conclude that area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to area of parallelogram ABRS. Okay, and we mark this as 1. So in our first instance we have marked, we have got what we are asked. Next we need to go to area of triangle AXS. We need to show that it is equal to half of the area of parallelogram PQRS. So where is AXS? AXS. Okay, if you notice, this is actually this falls in one parallelogram, and that is ABRS. Okay, because this point X falls on BR, so we can say that, second we'll put that triangle AXS and parallelogram ABRS share a common base, and that base is which one? If you notice, that base is AS or SA. Okay, common base AS, all right. And they lie between same parallels, and they are, one is AS, this one, because it is ABRS, right? One is AS and the other one is BR. Okay. As a result of which, the relationship between area of triangle and area of parallelogram that lie on the same base and share parallel lines is what? That area of triangle AXS is actually half of area of the parallelogram, which is ABRS. But in the question we are not asked for area of triangle, show that area of triangle AXS is equal to half of area of ABRS. we are told us to prove area of triangle AXS is equal to half of area of parallelogram PQRS. Okay, but we know that area of PQRS is equal to area of ABRS, so we can easily switch. So we put here 2, and we can say therefore area of AXS is equal to half of area of PQRS. Okay, and here we can give from 1. Okay, why from 1? Because if you notice, area of we have proved area of PQRS is equal to area of ABRS. So from we can switch from ABRS to PQRS because they have the same areas, and this is what we need as asked in the question. Okay, so with this we end this video over here. If you have liked watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.